We all love a fresh and vibrant color, but how do we get it at home? I'm Camille Chanel, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I dyed my Dell hair from this to this in just a few easy steps. As you can see, my hair is living its best, wild, and free life. Oh my god, you cannot miss the grays. You can just tell that I am in between hair dyes right now. So Cam Fam, the plan today is just to do a quick at-home hair dye situation. I'm not a professional hair anything. I'm just some chick in her drawers doing a voiceover of herself covering her frizzy gray hairs at home in her bathroom. Alright, now that I've gotten that out the way, we're gonna move on. For today's video, I will be dyeing my Tri-Dark Tresses Ion Color Brilliance I picked up at Sally's. This is in the shade 3NN, Dark Intense Brown. Other items in my hair care lineup today, I have my Ion Color Brilliance Level 20 Developer, an application bottle, a towel, a plastic cap, a rat tail comb, gloves, and hair clips. Wait a minute. Let's take a moment to find and read the instructions. The instructions can be located on a small paper inside of the box, or just be the inside of the box. My instructions are on the inside of the box, and they're quite clear. Check this out. Using a non-metallic bowl, mix 2 ounces of Ion Color Brilliance with 2 ounces Ion Sensitive Scalp Developer. Mixing ratio is 1:1. That means 2 ounces of developer for every tube of color. Also, guys, on the inside of the box is the processing times for what you're trying to do and how long it'll take you to do it. So it's always a good idea to read the instructions before you cause some destruction. Yeah, that was great. So the instructions for what I'm trying to do says for gray coverage, use a 20 developer, which is exact, I'm trying to cover some grays. I'm gonna use a 20 developer and 2 ounces for every tube of color. And I have 2 tubes of color. So that means 4 ounces total of developer is going to go in my application bottle. Remember this? Yeah, the instructions. According to the instructions, I should keep this on 30 to 45 minutes. So let's get counting. 45 minutes later, I am shampooed, I am conditioned, I am now a chocolate raven with not a gray in sight. If you recall the shenanigans my hair was carrying on with before, I had quite a few grays up front, but thanks to our process today, I have successfully rid myself of the dreaded grays. Alright, Cam Fam, thank you so much for spending this time with me, getting rid of my grays. I hope this video helps you get rid of yours. Don't forget to comment and subscribe so you can be notified when I post my next video. And until the next one, Cam Fam, see you soon.